To keep up with the growth rate mandated by the EU's new alternative fuel infrastructure law, the French government announced additional money for the installation of EV charging stations. By 2030, France wants its road network to include over 400,000 EV charging stations, including 50,000 rapid charging stations. With over 110,000 charging stations on the public network today, France is the second most equipped nation in Europe, ahead of Germany and behind the Netherlands. The French government estimates that by the end of 2023, 1.5 million electrified vehicles, including plug-in hybrids and electric cars, will be on the road in France, with 650,000 of those being electric. By 2035, when the EU forbids the sale of new diesel or petrol-powered vehicles, this number is predicted to climb tenfold, necessitating an increase in charging stations.
Please feel free to leave a comment if you would like more information. Internet source videos. Contact us if you have any questions or issues. We are market movers and information hunters. RAEDIAN is who we are.